Ever catch a yawn just by seeing someone else do it? It's weird, right? It's like a virus, but for your mouth. Scientists think it's all about empathy. Mirror neurons in your brain fire up. They help you understand other people's feelings. So, when you see someone yawn, your brain kind of feels it too. It's like a mini simulation of tiredness. Makes you want to yawn along. But get this, it's not just for humans. Chimps and even dogs can catch yawns too. Crazy, huh? Still not 100% sure, but empathy's the leading theory. So next time you yawn just because you saw someone else do it, blame your brain. Want more brain-bending facts? Please subscribe to 404.